everyone, today we are reviewing the Bosch TrueMixx Pro 1000 watt mixer grinder. We will go through its unboxing, features, jar usage and a quick performance test. Inside the box, we get the Bosch TrueMixx Pro motor unit, 5 stainless steel jars, a spatula, a user manual and a warranty card. The motor comes with a 5-year warranty. The motor unit has a sturdy design with a strong suction feed for stability. It also features lockable lid system, so all the jars have this system, preventing spills while grinding. Now let's check all the jars and the usage. There is a blender jar which comes for your smoothies, juices, your milkshakes, cold coffee, etc. There is a wet grinding jar which is for your batter and purees. It is perfect for making idli, dosa, vada batter and coconut chutney as well. It features an active flow breaker for fluffier batter. There is a dry grinding jar which is for spices and masalas. It uses a stone pounding technology to give authentic texture to dry masalas. It is ideal for turmeric, garam masala and coriander powder. So you get an extra blade to use this feature, and you can use your spatula to change the blade. The chutney jar is of 400 ml size. This is basically for your paste, chutneys, ginger garlic paste, green chutney, coconut chutney, anything that you want to make, you can use this jar to prepare it. You also have a lid stopper for all the jars. So this basically helps you if you need to add any water during the grinding process. You always need to be careful when you use a mixer grinder. Basically, do not use the mixer grinder on a wet surface. Always make sure that the blades are fitted properly before running the mixer grinder. This mixer grinder has a recommended time for grinding dry ingredients, which is up to 120 seconds. So if you need finer powder, please wait for 2 minutes and grind again, as it has risk of burns. Jar may heat up due to friction, so never touch the metal part with bare hands immediately after grinding, and always use the handle provided for moving the jars. Also, do not run the mixer grinder for more than 5 minutes continuously. Wait for 2 minutes if you need to use it for longer. If you're using the mixer grinder for the first time or using it after a long time, thoroughly clean all the parts that come into contact with food ingredients. Always use spatula to change the blades. So here are the 5 jars and the big unit. Let's do a quick test. We are going to make watermelon juice in the big jar that we have. I have added a little water just to get the consistency. I am going to filter it before usage to avoid getting seeds while drinking it. So overall, it's a great investment. You can use this mixer for everything from spices to smoothies. It's perfect for Indian kitchens and delivers excellent performance. It does make some noise